Have you ever wondered what van life is like for the dogs that are part of this lifestyle with us, or what it's like to take your dog full-time on the road? Some critics think it is cruel to keep a dog in a van, saying that it is an unsuitable, cramped environment to keep an animal in such a small space. Others probably consider it a logistical nightmare, having to factor in finding dog-friendly park-up spots and camping sites. And let's not even get started about trying to keep a van clean when you've got an animal with 4 legs running in and outside of it all day. We actually believe that Teddy is living his best life on the road with us, but don't take it from us. In this episode, Teddy is doing a takeover and he is going to be giving you his point of view of what a day in van life looks like. I hope you enjoy this one. I had a lot of fun creating it, following Teddy around all day with a camera and just getting a little bit creative in the editing suite. So sit back, enjoy Teddy's point of view. And while I am finishing up editing this video, if it looks like the van is absolute chaos, that is actually because I am packing tonight to fly up to Tauranga tomorrow. So I can't wait to take you along on that adventure in the next episode. But for now, here's Teddy.
Hi, I'm Teddy. I live in this van with my mom and dad, and I take my job of camp dog very seriously. I am the chief of security. I ensure no one has any personal space, and I make everyone smile and laugh a lot. I also make sure the van is never too clean for long. Today, you get to see what a real day in my life looks like. If you're new here, this is my mom, Heidi, and this is my dad, Matt. And I am an adventure dog. They call me Teddy, Ted, Teddy Bear, and sometimes Teddy Bear Horton when I'm pretending not to hear them. Anyway, recently Mom and Dad left this epic house with its nice backyard that had my scent all over it. And ever since we've been driving around aimlessly in this van, it's pretty fun. Although I'm kind of bummed that I can't stick my head out the window when we're driving. But ever since we got this van, we do heaps more walks, which I love, even though they really tire me out. Our channel Horton Adventures shares with you the journey so far. And don't tell Mom and Dad, but we all know the best part of these videos is my zoomies. Mornings start early around here. I like to wake the humans up as soon as the sun says hello. I usually do some stretching on top of them, just so they can say big stretches, which makes them really happy. They pretend they want 5 more minutes, but we all know they mean time for walkies. My first walk of the day is with Dad. He takes me out on my lead. I am not a fan of this contraption, but apparently I have no choice in the matter. Dad repeats, "Go toilet, Teddy," incessantly, until I find the perfect spot to go. It can take a while to find the perfect spot. After finishing my business, we do a little more walkies and some parkour. After that, I supervise breakfast. I find it a little offensive that each morning my humans have a different breakfast, but every single one of my meals is just these dry brown rocks. They are tasty though. While I've been outside walking Dad around, Mom has made the big bed ready for me to scratch back up and get comfy on, while I continue my campsite monitoring from the windows. Not before I have to have all 4 of my paws dried though. Humans have weird rituals. Once everyone is fed and I've had a quick nap on the bed, Usually we drive to a new spot with new smells to sniff, and it's adventure time. I lead the way, of course. They're a bit slow, but they do their best. Some days we find beaches, other days it's mountains. My job? Sniff everything. You never know when you'll find something important.
Hi.
Oh, and I'm not allowed to chase other animals on these walks. Long story. After all that exploring and adventure, it's nap o'clock. My humans call it work time, but I know it's when they sit still long enough for me to nap on the bed. Van life is hard work, you know? Someone has got to test the bed comfort level every day. Some days, we go for 2 adventures. And some days, I even make friends. Today, I got to see a friend of mine at sunset on top of a big hill while Mom was busy taking photos of my friend's family. By sunset, it's time for dinner. Yep, you guessed it. More dry, brown rocks. I'm usually fairly famished and wasting away by dinner time after all my hard work during the day, so I scoff them down fast. Then, I curl up in the middle of the bed while they try to watch a movie or plan tomorrow's adventure. They think it's a big joke when I show them just how much of the bed I can take up for a small dog. I love this part of the day. It's cozy. And sometimes I score a stray bit of popcorn. And that's a wrap on another day of van life. Teddy style. I've sniffed, explored, napped, and kept the humans in line. Same again tomorrow? You bet. Thanks for spending the day with me. And don't forget to give this video a paws up